going on? It's the Block Bull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, as always, we will take a look at the charts and take a look at some of the biggest gainers over on the short list inside of TradingView. But first and foremost, just let's have a look at some of the news. MicroStrategy adds another 51,780 Bitcoin to its treasury worth $4.6 billion. So I've also added this on here. So Sailor is buying at the top of peak one, in my opinion. He could have at least waited for this sort of sub 65k mark in 3 or 4 weeks' time, when I do believe we will see a correction. So I will get over to Bitcoin in a moment, but we will be taking, like I said, at the biggest gainers. So it looks like Hbar, DAG. We'll have a brief look at XRP, see where that's at, and some other cryptos as well if we do have time at the end of the video. And I've also made this bold statement as well. I don't know how bold it is, because I think a lot of people that do watch this channel are very, very bullish on XRP. And if XRP is to come to fruition and hit the price targets over in the Block Bulls plan, then you do know that we are going to make hand over fist on our capital deployed. So we've got two plans there. If you add both of those to the basket, like I say, you have got 10% discount, which will automatically be applied. That gives you the top of the cycle, when we expect to officially break out interim targets and when to exit the market. Now, let's go over to Gala as well, because people, again, that are following the channel are kind of copy trading some of my trades here. So I did expect Gala to be an early mover. It just turns out utility. Who would have expected it to break out first? Fortunately, I did have a main bag of XDC, and XRP was kind of equally sort of calibrated in my portfolio. So I did have enough sort of capital to then roll out of XRP into XDC. XDC went up, and then I've rolled a little bit more into Gala as well. So that's the beauty of having some sort of options in your portfolio. If you've got, like, say, I would say anywhere between half a dozen to 10 sort of coins that you can rotate. So it doesn't matter which one pumps first. When one pumps, usually, if you're getting about a 50-60% return like we did in XDC, you could potentially rotate into other coins that have not moved, for example, like Gala, and vice versa. If Gala pumps first, then you can rotate into XRP if that's lagging behind. It doesn't really matter in terms of rotation for me. I'm a trader and I react accordingly. I'm in front of the price charts all the time, guys. So you guys follow me, that's fine by me, but you know, you're not going to get up to date, because I'm in front of the charts all day, so you're not going to get that sort of up to date, sort of quick fire information that you need. Now, having said that, Gala, this is on the 1 hour time frame. You can see exactly, this is fairly self-explanatory. We can look at going into Tuesday there. That is the tip of the apex, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we can't break out earlier. It is looking really well now. So as soon as we break around that sort of 3 cent mark, I do believe Gala will go to town. We'll take a quick look at some of the price targets as well, and we'll go on to the higher daily time frame. So this is where we're currently trading here, just before this red vertical line. This is my sort of first target here, above this sort of liquidation. You can see this sort of box here. So this is top of liquidation, just above 5 cent. But I do believe in this move up until the end of November, we are taking out these sort of previous highs. So the high here for Gala is around 8 cent. There's also a high back here, in my opinion. So again, this is like coinciding with this sort of more recent price action back in sort of April of this year. So that's stipulating just shy of 6 cent. So anywhere between 6 to 8 cent will be a brilliant opportunity to take profits before the end of the month, where I do see crypto capitulating. Having said that, the reason why I do believe cryptos will correct is because a lot of prices will be revisiting where we was currently trading at the time of the Bitcoin halving. So as you know, the Bitcoin halving was in April 19. So let's just find April 19. So on April 19, Gala was trading approximately about 4.5 cent. So Gala, as you're aware, just by me, viewing these charts for you guys today, we're currently under where Gala was trading at the time of the Bitcoin halving, which is brilliant in terms of the gains still on the table for Gala. So I do believe Gala is going to run up massively. We'll probably take out that 8 cent range, and then it will probably capitulate down to this sort of price target about 40 cent. So that in itself is about approximately 50 cent retracement and correction. So this is what I'm expecting Gala, maybe 8 cent and then fall back down to this sort of order block here, which I'm going to highlight for you guys. So around here, so we'll fall back down to where that red vertical line strikes through our white price action. Like I said, 4.5 cents is where I expect Gala to be come sort of mid-December. Like I said, we still have to get above that, so it's exciting time. So that's Gala, guys. Now, let's get on to some of the... I'm going to have to cover this quickly because we've already been recording for 5 minutes. So DAG is breaking out again, doing really, really well. Again, we've got these sort of highs up here. So in my view, DAG has got another sort of 125% to go. So we are going to get up to about this sort of mark here, in my opinion, just shy of 9 cents. So that's also really good. Hbar doing really well. Hbar, again, these highs from back in March, April time of 24. This is what all crypto seem to be doing at the moment, except from XRP. XRP is going for the previous cycle because obviously XRP has been suppressed for so long. So XRP is not only taking out that sort of 91 cent, which is equivalent to like Hbar and some of these other cryptos. XRP is going one further, and it's looking to take out the 2021 highs up at $1.96. But yeah, guys, HBAR is almost there in my opinion. So I wouldn't be jumping into HBAR. If anything, I'd be looking at probably taking profits around the sort of 15, 16 cent area. Again, we have got wicks up here around 17, 18 cents. So looking really, really good. Let's go on Velo. We've not covered Velo for a while. You can see the convergence now with Velo. So this yellow horizontal line, which was acting as that sort of supply and demand zone, we've got the resistance and support. So if I scroll in here, guys, you can see literally Velo is literally just being held back now. It looks as if it's poking its head above that yellow horizontal line. So it looks as if Velo can fly up any day now, and I will be looking and targeting up at this green order block, which is approximately anywhere from just shy of 4 cents all the way up to just shy of 5 cents. So in between that sort of range. In terms of gains, let's just have a look. Let's measure up. So you're looking about 150 to about 230. Okay, so again, there's like 2-3 X's on the table still, guys, before the end of the month, which is, I expect a lot of cryptos to make this move. Again, we'll be looking at coming back down and probably retest 2 cents, believe it or not, through December with the rest of the markets where we correct at least 50%, in my opinion. XRP, again, that is self-explanatory. I've been covering that a lot over on X, so if you're not already following, make sure to do so. XRP, again, we're just looking at that one, sort of $1.96. So it is fascinating because if I go on to the monthly time frame here, actually on XRP, this is what I did the vid on. So you can see these circles where I've circled the high. So this is the new resistance, and this is what we're looking to challenge now with XRP, which is why I believe we'll get to 196 this week. And then from December, we will correct to the downside. So this green candle here, this close, you can see, if you look at the numbers up here, you can see where the close is. So C for close, and look at this number here. So you can see the number is 197. Okay. Funnily enough, this green candle here, the high, if you're looking at the H now, the high is $1.96.5. So it's half a cent from taking out that monthly close. However, this is just on the Poloniex exchange. On others, I imagine it tapped that literally to the cent. Okay, and again, we're looking at challenging here. So 196 is resistance, which is where I would be selling my XRP if I did have any. However, XRP has only got approximately about 67% to go. 67, could round it up to 70%. So XRP's only got 70% to run. Now, I've shown you like Gala, and I've shown you other tokens that can do more gains towards the end of November, as opposed to XRP. So in my view, if you are trading, I would be looking at rotating now. Like I said, Gala is going to do some big numbers. Velo's still got to go up. So Velo, in my opinion, has got all that sort of potential to run up here. So like I said, Velo's got potentially 230% to run up, whereas XRP's only got about approximately 70%. So again, guys, I'm just showing you these charts. I'm not saying rotate, do this, do that. You can do whatever you want. It's your decision. I'm just showing you potentially where we can get up to in the market. So you guys make your own calls. I'm never going to tell you guys what to do. I'm just showing you guys what I perceive in the market. Okay, none of this is financial information. Now I'm going to finish off with XDC. In fact, we got the XDC XRP pair. So this is where I actually traded in and swapped my XRP for Gala. So you can see where this red line is stipulating. So I'm actually up on that trade. It's not up a lot. It's not up a great deal, but around here, I'm probably up around about 6%. Okay, but I do expect, like I said, in this one here, last time we was down at these bottoms, we did rally up 350% within 20 days. So this is what I expect XDC to do, to begin outperforming XRP in the interim towards the end of November. So there's a lot of coins now that are going to outperform XRP. Again, I am not against XRP. I don't know, just because I'm not even bearish on XRP at this point. I'm saying it's going up to $1.96. But what I'm saying is there is more gains to be had in the market. And ultimately, we will be loading up on some more XRP in the middle of December. Like I say, guys, when the bottoms go in post-US elections. Now, like I said, I'm going to finish on XDC. So XDC here is running up. Again, guys, we're looking at those April... it looks like we've taken out these. Well, March, April highs are up here. So we've literally wicked through that already. So XDC is doing really well. But I do expect us to take out this sort of liquidation spike. So XDC, in my opinion, can get up to at least here, where the monthly closes are coming in. So 6 cents. So, yeah, we've got 6 cents to run up to. And then also this liquidation wick. So it looks like there's going to be some stops around there, or some entries at least, that we can actually bull trap and then capitulate over going into December. So we got 9.5 cents is still in sight as our sort of first target. I'm not going to say target, I'm going to say checkpoint, because target to me would insinuate you're looking at taking profits. We're not, guys. I am not taking any sort of profits for gains. I'm literally going to be cashing or selling my positions in order to preserve my capital ahead of this 50 to 70% correction, in my view. But there we have it, guys. If you guys need a plan throughout this sort of super cycle, I have got that 10% discount. Like I said, that'll be emailed directly to the email address that you purchased the plans upon, and you can basically browse through those and you can see exactly how big, how great these targets are, and it will make you and your family generational wealth. You can do what you want in life then. No risk, no Ferrari, guys. I've been the Blobble, over and out.